Hey mathematicians, here's an example of using this sort of tool to simplify a complicated exponential expression. It is not the same as on your learning log, it's similar. So I have a number here, and that is only there because I've hidden some values of f and u and q so that you can go along and see if you are still on the right track. And I'll show you what I mean by doing one step. Like many complicated problems, we need to take a breath and say, I'm just going to focus on one thing at a time. So I've got some numbers. I got 17s. I've got some Fs. I've got some Us. I got some Qs. For this first step, I'm going to decide I'm going to focus on Us. I want to deal with the Us first. That's all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to worry about the other stuff later. Okay? So even if you were to only get one step in, it's a good first step. And you might find it gets easier as you go along, like many problems. So I'm going to focus on the U's. From my experience on slide 3 and 4 and 8 of the review and preview, I know that when I am dividing factors of some base like U, when I'm going to use the division rule for exponents, I'm literally matching up how many factors there are. So when I'm done dividing this, I will have 17 minus 6. I will have 11 factors of U. So you can copy and paste this, so it's not so much work. And then I'm going to change this. I think it will be the same when I'm simplifying if I end up with 11 factors of U in the numerator on the top. And it turns out I do. Okay? So this is how this tool is helpful. I have simplified, and I'm just double checking now after one step, is my expression still worth the same amount? So on your learning log, do one step, write it down, come back and do another step.